In the heart of a peaceful South African village stood the great Baobab tree, a symbol of wisdom, history, and connection for the community. But beneath its towering branches, a tangled web of secrets was about to unravel. It all started when Thando, the village tailor, overheard whispers in the marketplace.
People were talking about Zanele, the new school teacher, and her mysterious meetings under the Baobab tree late at night.
Curiosity got the better of Thando, and one night he followed Zanele to the Baobab tree.
To his shock, he saw her meeting with Mr. Dlamini, the respected village councillor. They were arguing about a secret plot to sell the village land to developers.
Thando couldn't keep the secret. At the next community meeting, he stood up and revealed what he had seen.
I have something important to share with everyone. I saw something that needs to be known.
The villagers were stunned.
This is outrageous. I deny these accusations.
Mr. Dlamini tried to deny it, but Zanele stepped forward, tearfully admitting the truth. Angry but united, the villagers decided to stop the sale.
We will fight this together. I will help you secure your land rights.
Zanele, ashamed of her actions, promised to help the community by using her teaching skills to educate everyone about legal matters.
I'm so sorry for what I did. I promise to use my knowledge to help educate everyone about their rights.
The Baobab tree stood tall as ever, but now it was more than a symbol. It became a reminder of the power of unity and the importance of standing up for what's right. The betrayal had shaken the village, but it had also made them stronger. And so the village moved forward united and wiser. Betrayal may sting, but the strength of a community lies in its ability to forgive, learn, and grow. Remember, secrets can break trust, but honesty can heal even the deepest wounds. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe and share the video to spread the message of unity and growth.